咱拢知影，伫咧动物内面，猩猩是真巧，甲咱人共款会晓知影运用工具。就会到伫咧奥地利，有一只牛，竟然会晓用枪仔甲扫帚来爬墙，做伙来看卖。
甲人类摕互伊的长臂鹿啊，奥地利这只叫做维罗妮卡的母牛，竟然会晓摕伊来甲脚车边爬墙，而且伊阁会晓另外应用，用这支的另外一边伸去巴肚下骹来爬墙。这有够巧的举动，连专门研究动物行为专家嘛出一个。
So she was using this as a multi-purpose tool, and this is impressive because the only solid example that we know of a multi-purpose tool in nature comes from chimpanzees of Congo. Those chimpanzees that use two different tools to fish for termites.
研究人员表示讲，包括黑猩猩、乌鸦和象等等，是目前已经知影会晓使用工具的动物，牛并无伫咧这个名单内。但是经过要10年的观察，即马对牛的看法真正是要规个改变啊。
Veronica has been using tools for 9 years. She started using tools as an innovation, her own discovery, by picking up branches, fallen branches of trees and scratching herself with them. But during these 9 years, she has developed this fantastic technique. She has improved a lot in her tool use.
研究人员讲，维罗妮卡无经过任何训练，对社会开始，伊就知影安怎用手机来爬墙，后壁摕扫帚也是拄啊，互伊嘛拢共款会晓摕来用，发展出更加复杂的爬墙的技巧。这个案例嘛，互科学家对牛智商无悬的看法是完全改变。即马全球有15亿只牛这么多，因会持续观察牛的发展潜力。公司新闻张惠敏编译。